Yeah, so my name's Alexander, and I'm 27 years old, and for the past few years I've been dealing with like a lot of chronic pain and stuff. Haven't really been able to find a cause, whether it's autoimmune, whether it's, this condition or that condition. I went to a lot of doctors, and, they would just say, oh, take this pain pill, but, I'm, not trying to get hooked on anything, so I was always looking for alternative treatments and, just different things to help with pain. I go to different doctors like chiropractors and acupuncturists and this, physical therapist and stuff, but nothing would really help long term. So that was the biggest problem. And then, one day I found about the stem cell therapy through my father, and, he was like, oh, no, you have to get this done, you have to get this done. I was like, okay. And I got the IV done, and wow, like that was just to kind of like put things in perspective. Before, basically I would spend anywhere from like 16 to 20 hours a day in bed, or that's what it felt like. And it was just because I'd be in so much pain, and I get up to do something, and I'd be hurting, and it would just be too hard to do anything after that. So just even doing little things would push myself too much. But basically what happened was I got the IV done, and I immediately felt better. Not even like, oh, it took a few days, no, like I went home and I went gardening for 5 hours. Like it was that good. I took walks, I like drove around the city, because normally I don't like driving because, sitting and stuff like that would cause a lot of pain, but I drove around for hours, just like enjoyed things that I hadn't enjoyed for like a really long time. And what was interesting is, let's say that my pain went from like a 7, 8, 9, 10 to like, basically like a 0, 1, 2. And what happened was, even since then, because it's been a little while since I got it, my pain, like I don't really have those like 10 out of 10 pains. I don't have 10 out of 10 pain days. I don't have those 9 out of 10, 7, 8 out of 10. Maybe like at max it might be like a 5 or 6, but that's because I was just like doing some really hardcore stuff and everything. So it's just more recovery than it is just like pain and stuff. So I feel like a lot better. Yeah.
That's awesome. How long ago was your therapy now?
Mine was April, so it's been 7 months, 6 months, something like that.
That's fantastic. Okay. So is there anything now that you said you're in bed a lot before, so you're not how many hours of sleep are you, how many hours in bed are you spending now?
Well, I like to spend a lot of time in bed just because, but it's not because of pain related things anymore.
Yeah,
so I'm working, like I'm getting things done in my life, like I'm up and at 'em, so yeah.
Wow, okay. Would you do the therapy again if you had to? Or would you
Absolutely,
recommend it to anybody?
100%, yeah.
Okay.
Recommend it to anyone.